Hello guys and welcome to this channel Programming Fever, and in this video I will show you how you can install Pygame latest version, that is Pygame 2.5.2 with Windows 10. So first install Python latest version from python.org. So here you can see the Python latest version is Python 3.12.2. So I will click on this button to download the Python. So after downloading the setup, open this and add this path, otherwise your Python will not work in your system. After this, click on this install now button. Now wait for a few minutes to install this in your system. So you can see it is successfully installed. So now I will install Pygame in my system. So to install the Pygame, there is a command pip install Pygame. So it will automatically grab the latest version of the Pygame and it will install in your system. So here you can see the Pygame latest version 2.5.2. So we can see it is successfully installed. Now I will show you how to import Pygame in IDLE. So I opened IDLE latest version and now I will write import Pygame. So you can see it is successfully installed. So in this way you can install Pygame in your system. So if you like this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.